I'm working on a 2001 Eurovan 2.8. Basically, we're going to be doing the fuel filter replacement. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of other videos like the CV axle, oil pan, valve cover, spark plugs, and all that, and the water pump too. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and then again, hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we're going to go ahead and start this video after the intro. Alright, first things first, we're going to be under the driver's side. So near the back wheel, I lift it up from the frame. So right there, I lift it up from the subframe. And right there is going to be the kind of where the driver's side wheel. We're just going to kind of look right up. And then right here, that's where our fuel filter is going to be at. Alright, so what we're going to do first, there's a little Phillips screwdriver right here. So we're just going to loosen that up. And then once we loosen it up, we can bring it down and then pull it out. I think, right? There we go. So yeah, so by these little hooks right here, so you're gonna push it down. So after, or the more you loosen it, it'll open up these little clamps, and these clamps, they squeeze right there, and then you just open it up to the point where you can get it off, and the same thing for right here. So we'll go ahead and open up this a tad bit more later. We'll open this up in a few minutes. Next thing, we're going to go ahead and take off these clamps, and then make sure you have a container right around, so I have something right under it, because we're going to lose a lot of fluid. So we'll have something right here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to open right up. The hose clamp should slide right off. If there's like a lot of debris buildup, just get a wire, like a brass brush, and just clean around the hose, just so you can get most of that buildup out. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to grab the filter itself, and then grab the hose. We're not squeezing it. We're just kind of just grabbing the hose and spinning it around, so we can break free the hose from the unit itself. So we're going to repeat the same thing for the other one. Well, the other one broke. We'll just replace that. We'll go ahead and again. Alright, so for our new filter, right here there's an arrow, and we need that arrow going to this hose. So right there, because that one's going to feed into the fuel line, or to the fuel rails. And then the other one is going to be coming from the fuel pump. So again, you need to make sure that that arrow, or this lip, is facing towards that. So, go ahead and put on our hose clamp. And then we'll go ahead and put in this other hose clamp. You got lights there, Take my gun. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put this guy right back on. So again, we're going to go ahead and put this in here. So make sure we get the top one in first, and then we'll do the bottom one. Then while holding down, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this. So yeah, you just keep tight until you don't see any more play in this little clamp. And then we're going to go back on the inside. And I thought I might have showed you guys this, but look at the fuel. Oh, you can see it's all black, and so you see all that little metal shavings and all that. Get that to focus. Let me put it on something. So right here in a little plastic bag, I don't have any containers right now, but you can see all that little metal shavings right there. This is a good thing why you should pour out your fuel filter. So I gotta recommend my customer for a fuel tank drop-in and a fuel pump replacement. So obviously the fuel pump's going out. But yeah, keep an eye on that. Do that. Before I even prime up the whole system, basically what you would be doing is you would go inside, put the key on the on position, on, off, probably about like 3 cycles. And then probably on the 4th time, you'll go ahead and start it, let it idle and all that. But yeah, so if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.